I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this series, we have taken up 6 questions which are of the form a linear term multiplied by a square root term, or it could be a linear term divided by a square root term. So, product of these two or quotient of these two. How do we find integral of such expressions? With the help of 6 examples, we'll understand this, and every video will have 2 examples solved. So let's begin with the very first one. Now, if you're following us on our YouTube channel, then you should be mastering integration with a lot of examples in our channel. In case you want to learn from me directly, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Let us take the first 2 examples now. Here is question number 1. To begin with, we have kept it very simple. We want to find integral of x square root of x plus 3 dx. The idea is to write x as a term which has x plus 3 in it. So we could rewrite this as x plus 3 minus 3, as you can see, right? And then we have the square root x plus 3 in it, dx. Now we can split it into 2 different terms. We can write this as square root of x plus 3 times the square root term x plus 3 dx, right? And the second one as integral minus 3 times square root of x plus 3 dx. Makes sense, right? So, with this, we can actually simplify the expression very easily and then use power rule. Now we have the first term, which is x plus 3 to the power of 1 plus half, which is 3 by 2 dx, minus, here we can take out 3, and here we have x plus 3 to the power of half dx. Do you see that? So this is the strategy. So we have split it into 2 different terms and we have x plus 3 to the power of something, and now we can use the power rule to find the integral. Is that clear to you, right? So let's take it on the next page. So what we have now here is the integral of x plus 3 to the power of 3 by 2 dx minus 3 times integral of x plus 3 to the power of half dx. Apply the power rule to get the answer. So we get 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2 in the numerator, divide by 5 by 2, minus 3 times x plus 3 to the power of 1 plus half, which is 3 by 2, divide by 3 by 2, plus c. Clear? Now you can rewrite this in a very simple way. 2 over 5 times x plus 3 to the power of 5 by 2 minus 3 and 3 cancel. 2 times x plus 3 to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Simple as that. So I hope you have understood the strategy. So the idea was to write x as x plus 3, right, and we wrote minus 3. Do you see that? So that simple substitution helped us to simplify the expression and get the result. Perfect. So that is how we make things very simple for you. Now you have learned the technique. I'd like you to apply this technique on the second question, which is slightly difficult. The whole idea here is to write x minus 2 as something, right, times 2x plus 5 and something plus b, right? Then you can easily use the power rule and solve the question. Perfect? Well, you try it out, and let me also thank all the viewers and subscribers for posting such brilliant comments, which I have shown here for some of them. We get many every day. This is your channel. We are actually solving questions posted by you. And as you know, we had been serving you for more than 15 years. We have 17,000 plus videos now, and these are being watched over 80 countries. We want to reach millions globally for quality education. Education is expensive, and many cannot afford it. Contribute and support your channel. Thanks. Now let's look into the second question. I hope you have understood how do we do it. Let me again show you. We need to find integral of x minus 2, and this time in the square root we have 2x plus 5, right? It is not that simple. How do we split it? We want 2x plus 5. So to get 2x, I will have to write half outside, right? And then only I can get 2x, correct? So 2x plus 5, okay, 2x plus 5. Now, directly writing 2x plus 5 is slightly difficult. We had minus 2 here, right? So what we could do at present is, first step, if I take half outside, I could write this as 2x minus 4, right? But we need plus 5, correct? We have minus 4. So what we can do here is we can add 5 and subtract 5. You see, that becomes slightly easier for us. And then we'll have square root of 2x plus 5. Do you see how I have worked it out, right? So I'm only working out the center part for you. So, so let's say this part, right? So we'll just remove this just to show you how x minus 2 can be rewritten as, because I wanted 2x, I wrote half outside within the bracket. So when I factor out half, I get 2x minus 4. But I need 2x plus 5. So I add and subtract 5. You get the whole idea. And now I can write 2x plus 5 minus 9 in the bracket. So we can rewrite this integral as, look here, half, right? 2x plus 5 minus 9. You see that? Minus 9 and square root of 2x plus 5. Do you see? That is the algebraic skill which we are looking forward to. This is exactly equal to x minus 2 if you look at, right? The first term. If you open it up, you'll get x minus 2. Perfect. So you see that this is exactly same as x minus 2. So these are equivalent expressions. Perfect. But it has made a huge difference. Since now we can open the bracket and we can rewrite this as integral of half, right? And then we have 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5 dx, right? And the second term, half multiplied with minus 9, will give you minus 9 by 2, right? Integral of 2x plus 5 dx. Look carefully. See how we have split it. And now we can combine the first two terms, which is 2x plus 5 to the power of 3 by 2. And this second term has 2x plus 5 to the power of half, right? Is that clear to you? So let's take it to the next page where we have the same expression written as half, right? 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5 square root means 3 by 2 dx, correct? And minus we had 9 by 2, right? Integral 2x plus 5 to the power of half dx. Does that make sense, right? So let's go back, check. So we got half 2x plus 5, which is to the power of 1, plus half, which is 3 by 2, and minus 9 by 2, 2x plus 5 to the power of half. Is that clear to you? Now we can apply the power rule to find the integration of this. So half is half, right? And then we have 2x plus 5 to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2, right? Divided by 5 by 2, also divided by 2, which is the derivative of inside terms, right? So times 2. Is that clear to you? And the next term here will be 9 by 2. And here we have 2x plus 5 to the power of half plus 1, 3 by 2, divided by 3 by 2, correct? Times derivative of that is 2, right? Plus c. Make sense? So that is how we are going to get the integral. And now let's simplify and write down our result. So just simplify it. So here we get 1 over 10. So 5 by 2 times 2, we have 5 here. So 1 over 10. And we have 2x plus 5 to the power of 5 by 2 minus. So this 2 and 2 cancel. So we have 3 goes 3 times. So 3 by 2. And we have 2x plus 5 to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Make sense? So that is how we can find the integral of this. Perfect. Now, I like you to take up the other questions. We'll take them up in the next video. But I hope the concept, if you have product as in the first case, how you do it has been totally explained in this particular video. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comments and your suggestions. And if you can contribute, that'll be excellent. Thanks for your time and all the best.